Alright guys, so now we want to filter this down even more. So we just want to get the TIFFs. So we're not interested in all these other files. So let's just put in an if statement and say if vsis3 image path dot ends with, then in quotes put dot tif. So we're interested in anything ending in just dot tif. And let's just print that and make sure it works. And don't forget your colon here. Okay, cool. So now we're getting back just TIFFs. But next, what do we want to do? We're only interested in downloading band 2, 3, and 4. So we need to filter this result down even more. So now we're going to say, let's just try to print VSIS3 image path. And we want to get this value of each string. So we're only interested in that. And since this is a string, this is basically like an index. So this value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if we wanted to access like F, for example, we can just start with negatives. So this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So we're interested in printing the value of -6, and then what else? How far do we want to go? We're interested in -6, and we want to do -6 to negative. Actually, let's just see what that does. Can't remember how this works. Yeah, so this is giving us b8.tiff. So we don't. That's okay, but let's just get rid of the tiff too. So -6 to -4. So this is basically the starting and the stopping. And it's kind of weird because we're going backwards, but now we have these values that we want. So stop that. Now we're going to have another if statement. Say if vsis3 image path is equal to b5, or not b5, b4. Let's just print it out to make sure it works. Print, oops. So I'm going to comment, we don't need that. So this should only print back the B4s. Cool. So we also want B5, so we'll just have another if statement. Let's copy this. B4, B3, B2. Alright, so we're getting B4, 3, and 2's back. Yeah, so that's what we want. Okay, cool. Alright. Alright, let's stop the video here for a sec.